Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Hey there, wait. Not paying close attention to this could result in major financial loss for you. If you're looking for a way to do more with less, AI marketing may be the solution you need. In 2024, AI is everywhere and changing the world. And the numbers don't lie. They're growing in popularity, usage, and reach. Study has confirmed that about 88% of customers had at least one conversation with an AI chatbot within the past year. AI has enabled us to generate a profit of $500 to $1,100 daily, with no deductions. Fact is, AI chatbot is a booming business. People are obsessed with the mind-blowing AI chatbots. Even big companies are joining the AI frenzy. Now imagine, if in just few minutes from now, you could get access to first-to-market ChatGPT alternative built with superpowers to generate stunning digital art and images, marketing copy, sales emails, FB ads, SEO content for you 10x faster. And you can charge people for using it. It's time to embrace AI. AI presents a vast opportunity, and everyone is eager to claim a slice of gigantic $136.55 billion AI market with an app that lets you launch your own AI ChatGPT alternative in just 60 seconds, and takes business sales to the new heights. Finally, this first-to-market app allows you to launch your own ChatGPT alternative app within seconds. Generate months of social media content, AI graphics, visuals and arts in seconds. Generate human-like responses to your questions in real time. Generate fresh ad creatives that's designed to convert. Writes SEO-optimized blog posts 10x faster. Spice up your email messages for sales, marketing, and support. Write website copy that sells the sizzle, not the steak. Write, debug and explain codes like a professional programmer. Search and edit images for you and create image variations as well effortlessly. Generates product name ideas, recipes, write books, restaurant review for you and your clients. Translates language, creates stories, or do grammar correction. And the icing on the cake is, you can get all this done by a single command, which allows you to replace your expensive copy and content writer replace your programmer and coders, replace your graphic and UI designers, and replace your expensive and unreliable app subscriptions. Introducing Genie, first to market ChatGPT alternative built with superpowers, creates amazing content, images, writes code for you 10x faster. Experience the AI revolution and discover the limitless possibilities that awaits, and take charge of the opportunity to get business and sales like never before. You can even start your own content agency to skyrocket business and sales instantly in no time. Design and sell jaw-dropping AI art and images for maximum profit. Create and sell high-converting marketing materials like sales scripts, video scripts, email swipes, and so much more. Create and sell stunning websites and funnels and fill up your pocket like never before. And that's not all. Genie comes with commercial rights, giving you the license to print your very own money by selling limitless high-quality content, stunning AI visuals, and marketing materials to your audience. Genie makes AI accessible to everyone. Even if you have no prior knowledge or experience with it, and start profiting from day one. It's a simple 3-step process to unleash the full power of AI. Step 1. Log into the Genie cloud-based app and type your desired specification about anything you want, like content, AI graphic, marketing materials, code, and much more. Step 2. Generate. With just one click, you can create your own AI chatbot with GPT-like capabilities with more superpowers. Step 3. Launch your chatbot and start generating revenue from customers eager to use your creation. Each chatbot you create has the potential to attract dozens of paying customers each day, generating a steady stream of income for your business in just few minutes. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to leverage AI and boost your profits. Finally, your search for the best AI chatbot ends with Genie that has everything you need. We have sweetened the deal more for you, for a limited time, as early bird discount. We're offering lifetime full access to Genie for a dirt cheap price, but this won't be available for everyone and forever. We will be closing our doors once the capacity of our servers reach maximum. In the unlikely event that you don't make money using Genie, we offer a 30 days money-back guarantee. But we're confident that won't be necessary. Click the button below to get instant access to Genie, along with a bundle of exclusive bonuses. Join us inside and let's get started.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.